Morning. I figured it was time for another review. This time I'm going to give a review on the everyday carry knife that I use. This is my SOG. I've been using this one for now about 6 years. Daily carry. It's a little bit grubby, needs a good clean. It's a SOG Flash 2. It's spring assisted opening. 4-inch blade, I believe. Never let me down. Like it. Just felt it was time for a change. Anyway, what I recently purchased was this. This is the Lightning Elite. At the front, automatic Switchblade style knife. And this is actually how it comes. It comes in this little black box. This one is made in China, but I must admit from what I've seen of it so far, I'm pretty impressed. Comes, like I said, in that cardboard box. Comes in a little belt pouch if you want to carry it on a belt. Plastic clip. And that's it. The pocket clip, very much like the SOG. It isn't quite as strong as the SOG, unfortunately. It doesn't hold on very well. 5 inches long. Again, the grip of the two knives, about the same. The SOG has a safety switch on it. So that's my SOG, and this is the automatic out the front Switchblade. Pretty freaking incredible, I think. The SOG, I think I paid about $86 for that some years ago. The blade does have a little side-to-side movement, as you would expect, as does the out the front. Although the side-to-side movement on this, considering it's an out-the-front knife, is considerably less than it is on the SOG. Deployment and retraction, instantaneous. You can't push this up against somebody or something and stab it using this. The system just wouldn't work. The two of them weigh about the same. Actually, no, the Elite is slightly more expensive. Blades a comparison in length. What I am impressed with on this Elite is how sharp it is. This is usually how I look at that. You can shave with that. Is pretty amazing. That is, for a Chinese knife at about the $40 mark, I think it's exceptional value. We'll see how it holds up over the next few months. I can give a follow-up review in about the next few months. So I think my SOG is probably going to be relegated now to the collection box. I'll be using this one as a daily carry. The deployment is very crisp. The retraction is just as crisp. The button is so difficult to, well, I say difficult to move. It's spring-loaded. It needs quite a lot of effort to move it. So, you know, a young child probably couldn't move that. Deployment, as I say, very crisp. Not likely to open in your pocket because of the amount of force needed to move that. But quite exceptional. I think it's amazing. Yeah, you'll see the deployment speed on that SOG. Let's see if I can do it a bit better. Pretty exceptional. $80-something, $40-something. Sharp as a razor. I kind of like the Tanto point on it. We'll see how it fares. I'll use it as a daily carry. You know, I'll use it like I use the SOG. Or I use my SOG to eat with. I use it to prepare food with. I use it to open boxes. I've even been known to carve up a watermelon on the beach with it. So, like I said, we'll see how the Elite fares, and we'll give a follow-up in the next few months. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and follow, and I'll be making more as time goes on. Great job. Great job, Lightning Elite. That's an awesome $40 knife.